Using a clean flat surface, lay the suit out. Fold the sock booties into the splash guard. Cross the legs and slowly roll the suit upwards. Kappler recommends storing the suit with the zipper completely open. Lay gloves flat before rolling over. Kappler recommends storing gas-tight garments with the visor as flat as possible. Use the extra material above and below the visor to slowly flatten it, ensuring there are no creases or hard bends. Once suit is rolled up, gently insert into bag and zip shut before tagging out.